I tried replicating the beef wet fry stew from my local, and I genuinely believe I got it right using only 1 kilogram beef chops chopped, 2 red chili peppers roughly chopped, which is totally optional, 3 thinly sliced red onions, 2 pureed tomatoes, 1 cup beef stock, and salt to taste. Into a sizable pot, add the chopped meat and follow up with just enough water to slightly cover the beef. This will more often than not be enough to tenderize the beef and still leave enough stock for stewing. Throw in the chilies, then add salt before covering the pot and bringing to a boil, then turn down the heat and cook on low till the beef slightly peels off the bone by itself. This is a good indicator of tenderness. Turn off the heat, separate the beef and the remaining broth before returning the now empty pot to the cooker for frying. Add cooking oil to the pot and allow it to get really hot before adding red onions. Allow those to cook till soft and fragrant before adding in the pre-boiled beef. This is a very key step to acquire that taste you're going for. Do not mess it up. Stir fry these on high heat till the beef starts browning, then add the tomatoes. I pureed mine, but even chopped ones would work great. Allow everything to melt till the raw smell of tomatoes is gone, then add the beef stock we got after boiling the beef. Bring to a boil, stir, then lower the heat and allow it to cook till the broth reduces and you're left with decently thick gravy. This is a good time to make your ugali because if you're being honest, having this with anything else is an abomination. 15 to 20 minutes later, your meal should be ready to serve. Plate and throw in a generous chunk of ugali just like they do at the local. Now dim your lights, spill some beer on the table and play some vernacular music because it will definitely slap better with an ambiance similar to the one at your local. Try the recipe and share your results. I'd love to see what you guys whip up.